Alrighty, today we are going to create a bee, a dancing bee. So let's get started. We're going to start by making a circle. And then on the top of the circle, we're going to make his antenna. And then for his face, he's going to have wide set eyes. Set a little bit lower on your paper. Just a couple of dots. And a small smile. All right, for his body, they have pointed little back areas where their stingers are. So we're going to have a curved line in going to a point and another curved line in going to the point. So they touch right here at the bottom. Let's put some stripes, some curved lines for stripes on his body. There we go. Then we are going to make him some wings so he can fly around, and those are just C's attached to his body. So there's a forward C and a backward C. Now for his arms and his legs, because he is a dancing bee, we want to make sure that he shows some movement with his arms and his hands. So his arm is just a straight line coming up and out with a circle at the tip. And then this arm is going to be roughly the same area on his body on the other side, and it's going to go down this way with his little arm and his hand. And then for his feet, we are going to make some straight lines with a little circle at the bottom coming out of the lower part of his body. Aw, look at him. He's a dancing bee. Thank you for watching. Bye.